Okay.
Hello, Dan Greenberg, Cascadia Distilling. Today we're making kombucha spirits. We're going to add the heads and tails in the last batch first. Add that. We already have a little bit of water in there. Bottom of it. Cover it all. Yep. That in there. Then we're going to pump in the all the mash or wine that we have for our kombucha spirits. There we go. And inside the still, can you hold on to it really well? And look down inside and you can see the coil. No, light the inside in there. Okay, we're recording?
Yeah, the screen turns off.
Gotcha. Okay.
It's going.
Okay. All right. So we take care of this, and then what happens is the steam coming from the boiler comes down through this manifold, and we're diverting steam. This steam right here, once the steam plant is up to temperature, will then carry down, come in through the bottom, which is now open and venting and will until we start blowing steam. And that makes, we have a coil inside of the still, kind of like this one. This allows us to heat with steam at under 1 bar or below 15 psi pressure. So it's all up and up, done, engineered, and works real good. Once it's up to temperature, once the steam plant is, it can heat this whole barrel up in under half an hour if you want to go that fast. But I usually let it take about 45. Anyhow, that's it. We'll be putting this into here. Can I take, let me hold it here. I'm just going to get another shot of the show in there. Okay. Let's see if we get the light. There you go. And you can see the coil in there. There we go. Getting filled over as we fill with wine. And here's the shop. Okay. All right.